Online class, Jamina Khatun Secondary School, Rakudia Babulgঞ্জ Borishal, MD Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher. This class is 7. Subject English First Paper, date 17/6/2021. Dear students, hope you are well. I am also well. Now I am discussing English first paper in class 7, unit 3. This unit has thoughts are parents for lesson 1, page number 17. The prize giving day at school. I am discussing lesson 1, the prize giving day at school. In this para, the key words, elements, outstanding, performance. Dear students, look at the picture and discuss the following questions. You must follow the page number 17 and look at the picture and discussing the following questions. Who can you see in the picture? Number 2, what are they doing? Number 1, the question is, who can you see in the picture? In the picture, I can see 3 boys and a lady. Maybe the lady is a teacher. Out the end, the boys are the students. The boys are standing in the platform. The question 2, what are they doing? Answer, the lady is handing over a gift to a student. I think the lady is, this is the picture of a prize giving ceremony in this school. Dear students, now follow number B. Read the text about a picture giving ceremony day. Read the text about a prize giving ceremony. Farabi and Flora's best friends. They live in same area. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to different school. In a school holiday, Flora has come to visit Farabi. They are talking. Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Flora's school. Yesterday was our school prize giving day. Farabi says, on this occasion, our school auditorium and its dais were brightly decorated. Prizes were also neatly displayed on a separate table on the dais. All the students were present at the function, amongst other the guardians and some eminent persons of the locality attend the function. Farabi continues, The principal of PN College was the chief guest. When did the function start? Flora asked. Oh, it started on time just at 4 p.m. Farabi says, our head teacher first read out the annual report. Then the chief guest gave a short speech. He has praised the overall performance of the school and its excellent JSC and SSC exam result. Then he gave away the prize among the students for their outstanding activities. Did you get any prize, Farabi? Flora inquires. Yes, I did, Farabi replies. I have got 2 prizes, one for regular attendance and the other for good result in the last year ending exam. Dear students, now see your textbook number C, maths and with their meanings. I write blackboard and you follow this matching table. Word, meaning, number 1, visit, 2, ceremony, number 3, eminence, number 4, pace, number 5, outstanding, number 6, display. One, speak highly on something or somebody. Speak highly of somebody or something, of somebody or something. Number 2, extremely good, good. Number 3, go to see a person or place. Go to see a person person or place. Number 4, put something in a place. Put something in a place. Number 5, function. Number 6, people having lost of power and influence. People having lost of power and influence. And influence. Dear students, now you may see number 1 and meaning horse are busy. Number 3, go to see a person or place. Answer. Number 1 and in this table. Number 3, visit, go to see a person or place. Number 3 plus 1. Visit meaning go to see a person or a place. Number 2, ceremony. Function. Ceremony, function. Ceremony, function. Number 3, eminence. People having lost of power and influence. Pace. Number 4, pace. Speak highly on somebody or something. Number 5, outstanding. Extremely good. Outstanding, extremely good. And number 6, display. Put something in a place. Display, put something in a place. Now dear students, now I am discussing in number D. Now make question and then choose answer from the table. I clean the board and now I am discussing number D, such as number D has some questions and make answers. There are how, what, who, and where. Was and did. The prize giving function held the prize giving function held the auditorium decorated the auditorium decorated three. The chief guest of the function, the chief guest at the function and the head teacher who at the beginning of the function, the head teacher do at the beginning of the function. Dear students, now in this table and make some questions and give these answers, such as how did the head teacher do at the beginning of the function? Dear students, now you follow your textbook and number D. I make some questions in this table and give answer, such as how did the head teacher do at the beginning of the function? I make you one question. Number 2. What did the head teacher do at the beginning of the function? In this table, you make many questions and give many answers. What did the head teacher do at beginning of the function? 3. Who was the chief guest at the function? Who was the chief guest at the function? Dear students, our next question is, who was the chief guest at the function? Our next question, where was the prize giving function held? Where was the prize giving function held? Dear students, our next question is, where was the prize giving function held? I made 4 questions in this table and gave the answers, such as number 1, how the auditorium decorated. How did the auditorium decorated? The auditorium decorated hastily, brightly or hastily. Brightly. You follow your textbook. And number D. Number, I again say this question and give you answer. Number 1, how was the auditorium decorated? The auditorium decorated brightly. Answer, the auditorium decorated brightly. Number 2, what did the head teacher do at the beginning of the function? The head teacher beginning out the function read out the annual report. Read out the annual report. Number 3, who was the chief guest? The principal of PN College was the chief guest. The principal of PN College was the chief guest. Number 4, when was the chief guest in the function? The principal of the PN College was the chief guest. Where was the auditorium decorated? In this school, auditorium decorated hastily. Now I am finishing my class. Hope you are well and you must use mask and never go outside. If you go outside, you must use mask. No more today. I hope you are well. Thank you.